Da-dum, da-da, da-dum, da-da.
So, you're doing your nails again?
Sammy, a young talent should look splendid on screen.
In our videos, I should look fabulous as well. But I don't remember us doing anything to keep my slime fresh.
What? But you get really good sleep.
Right? Good sleep? I don't remember the last time it happened. It's because you stopped singing lullabies to me.
That's all you need for a good night's sleep?
Well, also,
Shh! Say no more. This sleep robot will play an awesome melody for you.
Are you sure it will help?
I am sure. It's steampunk music box. My name is Orpheus, AM601.
So, are we gonna examine the box or assemble my robot?
Sammy, I like your passion. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So many small and various parts. It will be interesting. Wow, it's a whole new world for creativity. With a unique design. That's quite a challenging puzzle. But with these detailed instructions, I'm not afraid of anything. This won't be an easy one.
I can manage the process, but first, give me the instructions, please. First, we need to start.
Sammy meant that first we need to take out the parts. So we push out the parts and start assembling. Like this. Now, when all the parts are ready, we can start assembling.
Whoa, don't rush, Susan. Here comes the great decorator. I examined the object closely and realized it lacks color.
You're right, let's make it bright. Our robot will be bright yellow like the sun. Just a little more. And our first part is ready. Now we add a bit of pink for our heart. This part is pink just like our Sammy. This robo heart is coming out real cute. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree.
Susan, tell me, do all robots sprout leaves in the spring?
No, Sammy, only ours. It's an unusual one. Let's fill it with green pigment. In nature, it is chlorophyll. It catches sunlight and produces nutrients for the plants.
Yep, and the cold destroys it. That's why in autumn leaves turn yellow and fall down.
Sammy, I'm really impressed by your knowledge.
And?
It was your idea to decorate, so follow my hands, because you'll need to assemble and paint the parts the same way.
When did a great master need advice from an apprentice? The parts will be ready before our viewers can bat an eye.
Guys, support Sam with thumbs ups and don't bat an eye. So, all the parts are ready and we start assembling. I guess our great master is already done. Sam! I hear the sounds of hard work. I think I should check on him. Sammy, are you sleeping?
No, just getting inspired.
Am I seeing things or is your mustache coming off because of your lies?
I was just counting parts. 1, 2, 3.
Sam! Then what did the viewers give you thumbs ups for?
Thumbs up. Oh, guys, I'll do better and make everything right away.
Here's an interesting part. These are the feelers for our robot. We should connect it to this part as the base. Great! Here, we need to be more focused and creative, like when we were painting the parts. And these cute thingies will connect the core segments. The part looking like a cello goes here. Awesome! Hop. We connect both parts and get a real robot arm.
Here I am, as promised. I assembled the arm.
Great job, Sammy.
And one more moment. I am Robo Sam. My mission is to save humanity from candy invasion.
Sam, you devour candies faster than they're produced.
I'm just doing my best to tackle the mission and assemble the robo parts accurately. I just didn't manage to paint them.
It's okay, we'll fix it now. A little bit of magic.
That's what I call efficient and well-coordinated work.
Right, Sammy? The most important part of our robot is the musical heart. This key will help us to find the right melody. A couple of turns and the music will start playing. Now we need to secure it in the center of the body. Here goes the screw. We tighten it a bit. Great! Let's try to match the melody to the color scheme of our heart.
Sue, leave it to me. I know how music and colors correlate better than anyone.
Well then, here you go, maestro.
The fame is already at my door.
So, it looks like the technical part is on me. I have to assemble all the parts before Sam is back. By connecting these parts, we get the blocking mechanism. Let's check how it works. Awesome! And this part should be at the bottom base of the body. Later, we'll attach the legs of our robot here, like this. Perfect! We add another silver element and secure the result with one more part. Carefully. Done! Just a bit more and we're going to attach the arms. But first, let's prepare everything for that big moment. There we go. Now we have all that we need. This is how we attach the robo arm. We only need to secure it. That's what this unusual part is for. Wow, I like the result. I guess it's time to attach the motor. Awesome! Our robot is growing right before our eyes and it is so adorable!
Susie, our music will play with the brightest colors.
Sammy, it's incredible! You are a real master of colors. We just need to glue a couple of parts.
Susie, it's your job since you're the construction engineer.
Yes. Here we should be very careful. We apply small glue drops like this and place the circular part. This painted cog goes inside. Our front panel is almost ready. Now we can attach it to the robot. I'm so happy with the way it's coming out. Just a bit more. Awesome! Now we carefully connect the upper part to the lower one. And secure both parts. Guys, I have another surprise for Sam, which will light up our robot. We can use this opening to switch the light on. The final step is our robot's head. There will be cute cogs like this. We should place the part on top of the body and secure it well. Add a bit of decor and small but important parts. Now we'll check if the mechanism is ready to move along with the melody.
Oh, holy cannoli, what is this wonderful music?
Patience, Sammy. Soon you'll hear the whole melody. A couple more parts and our robot will be ready. By the way, you came just in time.
Hey, that was mine, but I don't mind if it's for our robot.
Wonderful, Sammy, because our robot is ready! Here's an antenna to catch signals from space.
And the plant, of course.
Thanks, Sammy. We can't do without them. One goes here. And the second one here. Yay!
Susie, the robot is ready. I'm ready too. Where is my lullaby?
Sammy, we just need to play the wonderful sounds. We turn on the motor. Then the lights. And enjoy the melody.
It's my favorite song. I'll be right back. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright.
Sammy.
So, it's really the best goodnight lullaby. I didn't notice how I fell asleep.
All for you. Now you'll be 100% slime fresh.
Right you are. Healthy sleep is now guaranteed. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked our robot and his lullaby.
And don't forget to share this video with friends.
And subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Good night. See you soon.